that long. Like a man once said, and a man ain't wrong. You gotta borrow a beat, you gotta be a bar.
We are at the 2022 Capel Manor Classic Car Show. I've been over here so many times, it's unbelievable. I wasn't even going to bother coming today, to be perfectly honest. But in all fairness, it just goes from strength to strength. I mean, the weather's quite nice as well. I think most years they're pretty lucky with the weather as it happens. But there's such a turnout, so let's just get in there, have a look, and if you're interested in cars, you might like this video. If you're not, just come over and have a look for yourself. Well, I shouldn't say that, should I, if you're not interested. But no, it's a good day, honestly. A tenner to get in. The gardens are there as well. Grub if you want it, all the little side stalls. Anyway, let's get in, have a look, and see what's here for this, what's here in 2022.
Be true, and as the years roll by, but just remember too, you gotta walk the beat, you gotta be the bar, you gotta walk the beat, you gotta be the bar. So keep a rocking the sea till the day you drop. You gotta walk the beat, you gotta be the bar. You gotta walk the beat, you gotta be the bar. So keep rocking your seat till the day you drop. Yeah.
If I stopped at every car that I worked on that's here, not actual cars, models of cars, then I wouldn't get out of this ground till 2023. 54 years in the motor trade. And never really earned a lot of bleeding money, to be honest. One of the few that was just honest, and I wouldn't have changed that for anything. I could look somebody in the eye 20 years later and tell them with a straight face, yes, I did do that. Never cut corners. Never overcharged either, hence the position I'm in now. No complaints though.
Hello, baby. Yeah, this is the Big Bopper speaking. Oh, you sweet thing. Do I want? Will I want? Oh, baby, you know what I like. Chantilly lace and a pretty face and a ponytail hanging down, a wiggle in the walk and a giggle in the talk. Make the world go round. There ain't nothing in the world like a big-eyed girl to make me act so funny, make me spend my money, make me feel real loose like a long-necked goose, like a girl. Oh, baby, that's what I like. What's that, baby? But, oh, honey. But, oh, baby, you know what I like. Chantilly lace and a pretty face and a ponytail hanging down, a wiggle in the walk and a giggle in the talk. Lord, make the world go round, round, round. There ain't nothing in the world like a big-eyed girl to make me act so funny, make me spend my money, make me feel real loose like a long-necked goose, like a girl. Oh, baby, that's what I like. What's that, honey? Pick you up at 8, and don't be late. But baby, I ain't got no money, honey. Oh, all right, honey, you know what I like. Chantilly lace and a pretty face, ponytail hanging down, a wiggle in the walk and a giggle in the talk. Lord, make the world go round. son, there ain't nothing in the world like a big-eyed girl to make me act so funny, make me spend my money, make me feel real loose, like a long-necked goose and like a girl. Oh, baby, that's what I like!
Just bumped into a couple of friends, I'll say friends I've never met, that Bob and Julie. So nice to see him after all his time. He's always been very complimentary with me on my videos, and so it's just nice to meet him in person. So Bob and Julie are probably going to go that way, and I'm going to go that way. All right? Lovely. Well, I've just come to a quiet corner of the garden, just for a little sit down and a rest. But really nice once again to meet you and Julie today, Bob. And let's hope there's other times where we can go and share a couple of sherbets together. As I said before, this show really, it just does go from strength to strength. I mean, there's more over here this year, I think, than I've seen for a long while actually. It's such a variety as well. You keep thinking old cars are in decline, but when you think this is only one show, there's thousands of them all over the country. So well done to the owners, keep them all going for nostalgia and old time's sake. Because like everything else in this life, once things are gone, they're gone. Right, I'm just have a little whiff now, get me strength back, and then I shall have another little wander out the show before I call it a day. So, hope this hasn't gone on too long for you, and might bump into you again. See you later, everybody.
Well, waiting for my baby, staying up by tree. I know inside myself.